Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to draw a golf club. Begin by sketching a long, narrow rectangle to form the grip. Make sure the top of the grip is slightly wider, gently tapering as it extends downwards. Finish this section by adding a small, rounded cap at the very top. This simple shape forms the foundation for the entire club, giving it a realistic and balanced appearance. Next, we'll add the shaft, which connects the grip to the club head. Draw two perfectly parallel lines extending straight down from the bottom of your grip. These lines should be quite long, representing the main body of the club. Maintain consistent spacing between them to ensure the shaft looks sturdy and correctly proportioned. This creates the essential connection for the club structure. Now let's focus on the club head, which is crucial for hitting the ball. At the end of the shaft, draw a curved, elongated shape. The bottom edge should be relatively flat and broad, providing a stable base. Then, add a small, angled face to the front of this shape. This detail gives the club its distinct iron appearance, ready for action on the course. To complete your golf club drawing, let's add some finishing touches. Lightly sketch subtle texture lines onto the grip to give it a more realistic, tactile appearance. On the club face, draw a small, circular dimple to indicate the sweet spot where the ball makes contact. Finally, carefully erase any initial sketch lines that are no longer needed, making your golf club drawing clean and polished.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.